wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Fort Worth, Arlington, Grand Prairie, Mansfield, Dulles, Bedford, Grapevine, Haltom City, Keller, Coppell, Hearst, Burleson, Cleburne, South Lake, Watauga, Colleyville, Benbrook, Saginaw, West Settlement, and Crowley. This includes the following interstates. Interstate 35 west between mile markers 28 and 67. Interstate 20 between mile markers 423 and 453. Interstate 30 between mile markers 2 and 31. Interstate 820 between mile markers 1 and 35. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.